One of the most transformative technology that is available today is artificial intelligence. Availability of more data, increasing computing power, and advances in algorithm has driven the development of AI in recent years. Also, it has a great potential to solve wide spectrum of real-world business problem. However, there has been a skepticism from various stakeholders such as business leaders, investors, clients, and the potential users that is preventing them from adopting such technology. As one of the major barrier in adopting an AI-based solution is how to trust such particular AI-based solutions. Imagine if an AI-based solution that has been created is fair but can't resist an attack, it won't be trusted. If it is secure but can't explain the decision, it won't be trusted still. If it is explainable but outcomes are still bad, it won't be trusted. And the chain goes on. So the actual problem or the actual challenge lies when these clients or the investors or the users question upfront to the technology developers or the management or the internal auditors by asking like, how is AI using my data? Can AI explain me the results, or is AI being governed? And all these concerns address to one main question: whether the AI-based solutions are trustable, or how can we trust such AI-based solutions? Clients or the investors or the potential users therefore expect a stamp of trust from the technology developers and the management while developing and implementing such solutions, and from the internal auditors while assessing such solutions. This article is mainly an attempt to gain an initial understanding on the essential trust factors of data and algorithm in the context of AI in order to improve and strengthen the trust, and also it is a first step towards the development of trusted AI model. One of the primary findings from this article is about identifying the essential trust factors of data in the form of data quality dimensions, and identifying the essential trust factors of algorithm, and thereby developing a trusted AI model. So based on the studies conducted on academic literatures, white papers, along with the interviews conducted with relevant actors involved in an AI development, it was found that trust factors like accuracy, reliability, consistency, bias-free, relevancy, and completeness were the most crucial trust factors in order to establish an initial trust over the data. Once such initial trust is established, continuous trust has to be developed in the context of algorithm, where trust factors like explainability, interpretability, transparency, reliability, bias-free, and usefulness were the most crucial trust factors of the algorithm. In addition, other trust factors like auditability and governance were also seen as highly important trust factors which needs to be assessed throughout the entire phase of an AI development. For instance, governance acts as an umbrella to other influential trust factors like privacy and security. So, the technology developers and the management have to ensure that the data which is being acquired, processed, and being fed to the algorithm is accurate, reliable, consistent, bias-free, relevant, and complete. Likewise, the algorithm which is being selected, being trained and tested should be explainable, interpretable, transparent, reliable, bias-free, and useful. And finally, the algorithm and its resulting outcomes should be auditable and properly governed. One of the main contributions from this research is the identification of the essential trust factors of data and algorithm, and mainly the presentation of the trusted AI model. So the trusted AI model mainly encompasses several phases involved in an AI development, which means right from exploring the problem, acquiring the data, till monitoring the algorithm post deployment. So, and in each of these respective phases, we have identified the most critical trust factors which needs to be assessed in those respective phases of an AI development. So, what value does the trusted AI model can provide? First, the trusted AI model can assist the technology developers to assess the solution using the trust factors identified in every phases of an AI development. Second, the top and mid management level comprising of directors, partners, and the management can use this model as a guide to validate the AI solutions at the end or at every phase of an AI development. The model not only portrays the trust factors present in every phases of an AI development, but also a detailed indicator for every trust factors that has been identified. Having this indicator alongside can help the management to see what kind of trust factors would require more attention if any of these relevant indicators does not meet the required expectation. And finally, when there is a need to audit such AI solutions, internal auditors can use this model as an assessment tool to critically assess the solution and provide assurance to the clients accordingly.